from Tijuana, Mexico. It's Thursday afternoon. Okay, you remember Saturday Night Live?
I do.
Okay, so do you remember Cheech and Chong?
Yes.
Okay, Julie, what's your name?
My name is Julia Stocchi.
Okay, you know how I just said, Julia, what's your name?
Right.
Okay, yeah. Now, what did you make it down here for? Where did you come from first?
I came from Flint, Michigan.
Flint, Michigan, that's
Yeah.
real far.
It is quite a ways.
Okay, now, what did you come down here for?
Well, I heard about this place and I thought I'd give it a try. My brother came here first and he talked me into it, so I came. And it's changed my life. It really has in every way.
Oh my God, cool. What did you come down here for? Like, what were you looking, what kind of services?
Well, first of all, I came for my teeth. You know, to get all the bad out of my mouth that had been in there for years. And I've been wanting to do that. And so I thought I would come here to get that done. And so I did. I'm glad I did. I got it done. And I'm in the process of healing right now. It's just about over and everything went wonderful. And then I went on to other things here, like Dr. Bergman, I think, was next. He's the chiropractor right here. And I had him do all the things that he does, the testing and that, and found out that I really needed to see him to get my spine in order and get it adjusted. And so I did that, and it just changed me. It really did. I mean, I've been to chiropractors before, and Dr. Bergman is the best. He is really, you are really the best.
But isn't it fun to, like, all the testing that we do, because we do nerve scans, full body
Right.
analysis,
Yes.
everything. You get a
Yes.
good picture of what's going on.
Oh, yes. Like I say, my teeth was first, and then Dr. Bergman, you was second, and then I went on to other things, you know, and it's really been an experience, wonderful experience.
Now, did you have any trouble coming down to Mexico? Any, because I get questions all the time, like, is Mexico closed? What's the clinic like?
None at all. Got right through and got here. Went to the airport in San Diego. They so gracious. They come and pick us up and bring us here, and we just go from there and just whatever we schedule to do, we get it done. And I do more and more. Each time I come, I get more and more done of what they do here.
Isn't that fun? Okay.
It really is.
Do you like the restaurants around here?
I love them. Yes.
Because people say, well, it's dangerous, and I tell them there's a hell of a lot more places in LA that I wouldn't go to.
Right.
Any places in Flint, Michigan more dangerous than Tijuana?
No. Oh, I'm telling you, no, everything is really just really wonderful here. And you know, people
Yeah.
just don't know that. They don't realize that, and it really is. You know, we just love it. We love coming here.
Excellent. Now, you like the restaurants, foods and stuff?
Yes, we've got, we just kind of go around, and that we've got a few favorites that we like to go to, but we go to different ones, and we're still finding out some that we go to, and I think you referred Sydney to one too.
Oh, yeah.
And that, so, yeah, we really love the food here, and people are so gracious. Everywhere, they're just so gracious and wonderful.
That's one of the things that we find out. It's the genuine. Like, you get the maitre d's that have seen you like 3-4 times, then they'll remember you by name. I mean, the staff, it's just, I feel more home here in Tijuana than I do up in Huntington Beach.
Right,
Now,
yes.
Now, there's so many people that are stuck in this symptom, drug, fear paradigm because people are being programmed by that box.
Right.
What could you tell them to break out, to find the source of their adaptation?
Well, you know, you don't believe everything you hear. You know, that's what I was told and what I heard. And even by where I work, my boss. And I set him straight. I really did, because after coming here and that, I mean, it's not what you hear. It's totally wonderful. It really is. It's really a good place to come to. And I feel safe. I do. I really do.
Oh my God.
Really.
Thank you so much, because we've got to help people.
Right.
Because this fear, this cycle of fear,
Right.
causes anxiety, stress, more symptoms, and
Right.
this is actually a fun place to get
It
healing.
really is. I love everything, really. Everything. We go places, we sightsee, eating, shopping. we're not afraid at all. It's just really nice.
It's normal.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
normal.
yeah. You're gonna like it.
Yes.
So get down here, take charge of your health. Realize that, I mean, what we do down here, we'll do holistic dentistry to get the mercury out,
Right.
and we've seen miracles. I mean,
Right.
people with Parkinson's or MS-like
Mhm.
symptoms,
Right, yeah.
you get that heavy metal poisoning out, and they do it correctly down here, so it doesn't retoxify the blood.
Right.
Then they get the IV nutrients, and what was it like to see your blood? That blood analysis is like my favorite part.
Oh, that was really something too. I mean, I talked about that for a long time. You know, how that happened, and I just didn't realize all of that until I seen it. And I just kept talking about it, you know, how our bodies are and how you go about finding out things and relaying them to us. It's just really neat.
I really think that if they could bring that live blood cell analysis in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, every grade, so that people would have an appreciation for their body, because it's a miracle.
Right, it is,
Yeah. Okay, God bless you, my dear.
Well, thank you. It's nice to have met you and
You're amazing.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Take charge of your health.